Okay, let's walk to the Christmas village that I'm telling you about. Ugh. Look. It's Santa. Santa. See, this is the Christmas village. There's skating rink. And this pretty house. And this dog. What's over there? People on a sled. Oh. Let's press the Santa Claus button. Wow. I hope you like watching my Christmas village. I'll have more pictures on the slideshow. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye.